one of the members of the board of the Kentucky Victims of Homicide Memorial. Pat Byron and I have a special presentation we would like to make at this time. While we are extremely proud that the Commonwealth of Kentucky has produced many champions in the field of domestic violence, there is no one, absolutely no one in our state who has accomplished more on the local, state, national, and international levels in the area of domestic violence than Judge Jerry Bowles. In the early 90s, he developed and ran the first domestic violence unit in our county attorney's office, served on our first domestic violence prevention board, and helped shape the policies and procedures still in place today. When he became a family court judge, he helped write our domestic violence laws, has educated judges, prosecutors, police officers, advocates, doctors, coroners, and mental health professionals in almost every state in the Union. Recognizing his expertise, he's been asked by the U.S. Justice Department and Department of State to take his training to other countries, and he has traveled and trained in countries as far away as England, Kazakhstan, and China. He reviews federal grants, served as faculty of the National Association of District Attorneys, National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges, and has chaired, co-chaired, or participated on every local and statewide domestic violence-related committee in Kentucky. Recognizing that the creation of VINE in Jefferson County is helping victims stay safe by notifying them when their perpetrator was released from jail, he realized that others could benefit from that service too. He knew that domestic violence victims are often killed or are seriously injured immediately after petitioning the court for protection. He convinced the creators of the VINE service to develop such a program, now called VINE Protective Order, which notifies victims when their protective order is served. But that was just the start. He traveled to Washington, D.C., met with the head of the Office of the Violence Against Women Office to ask her to provide funding for this innovative pilot program through the Mary Byron Project. The list of Judge Bowles' achievements literally goes on and on. Since 1991, Judge Bowles has dedicated his life's work to raising awareness, fostering solutions, and educating others about the crime of domestic violence. But after serving as his court support worker case specialist and spending 8 years in his courtroom watching him preside over thousands of protection order hearings, child abuse and neglect, and divorce cases, I can attest that Judge Bowles' greatest accomplishment is keeping victims safe and holding perpetrators accountable. Because of Judge Bowles, his vast knowledge and awareness of the complex issues of domestic violence, and because he truly cares about the individuals before him, we have had fewer names to etch on this memorial wall. Without a doubt, his efforts have saved countless lives. So on behalf of the board of the Kentucky Victims of Homicide Memorial, Pat and I would like to present this award of appreciation to Judge Bowles.
Thank you.